Hello everyone, let's discuss the second type of material, electrical material, that is magnetic materials. So what is magnetic material? So the materials that can be magnetized in the presence of magnetic field. The material that can be magnetized in the presence of magnetic field. The material that can be magnetized in the presence of magnetic field is called, what is that? Magnetic material. Then how many types of magnetic materials? Magnetic materials are first type is diamagnetic materials, second one is paramagnetic, and third one is ferromagnetic materials. So these are the three types of magnetic materials. So first, or we can go with these three: dia, para and ferro. Okay, at a time we can discuss paramagnetic and ferromagnetic. Then what is diamagnetic? Means how many poles we have? North, south, right? Same here, north, south, north pole, south pole. So let us say we have a material here, like that we have a material here, here also we can have a material. Let us take so this is a magnet which is having north and south poles, and we have a material which is displaced by some distance. Then what is diamagnetic material? So here the material which is weakly repelled by this magnet, the material which is weakly repelled by a magnet, like that. What is paramagnetic materials? The material which is weakly attracted by this magnet. The material which is weakly attracted by this magnet is nothing but paramagnetic material, like that. Strongly attracted magnet is nothing but ferromagnetic material. strongly attracted material is nothing but ferromagnetic. Clear? So sorry, the material which is weakly attracted by a magnet is nothing but diamagnetic material. What is paramagnetic? Weakly here weakly repelled, not attracted. This is weakly repelled. See that arrow, which is away from that magnet, right? Weakly repelled by a magnet, like that. What is paramagnetic material? The material which is weakly attracted by a magnet. Then what is ferromagnetic material? Strongly attracted by a magnet. It's nothing but diamagnetic, paramagnetic as well as ferromagnetic material. And next difference is flux density. Which is material like that, we can have a which is so this is magnetic flux density. The density of magnetic flux lines is nothing but magnetic flux density. I will explain what is magnetic flux density in detail in coming lectures, don't worry. So meanwhile, for this time being, just assume this is magnetic flux density. That's it. So for diamagnetic materials which is repelled by a magnet, that's why this is from left to right, like that this is from right to left. So coming to paramagnetic material which is weakly attracted by the material, that's why both are in same direction. But coming to ferromagnetic material which is strongly attracted by this magnet, that's why we are having the direction like this. So what is the statement here for diamagnetic materials? Weakly magnetized, we can write the statement weakly magnetized in which direction? In, see the direction, in opposite direction. Of magnetic field. So like that, for this paramagnetic material weakly magnetized in same direction, same like in the case of definitions. Weakly magnetized in same direction of magnetic field. So coming to this ferromagnetic materials, strongly magnetized. Strongly magnetized in the same direction of magnetic field. Right, this is another type of difference. Next we can go for so here we can write one point, how the magnetic flux lines are behave. So write that point, repulsion of magnetic lines from the center of the material. Like that, here attraction of magnetic materials from the center of the material. Like that, heavy attraction, here heavy attraction, and you can write that remaining sentence, heavy attraction from the center of the material. Then let us say this is a material, okay, this is a material, this is a material. Then magnetic flux lines are, what is the statement, repulsion of magnetic lines from the center of the material. So let us say this is the first magnetic line, this is the magnetic line, then repulsion of magnetic lines from the center of the magnetic material. So the magnetic flux lines are like this. So coming to paramagnetic material, attraction of magnetic lines because weakly attracted. But coming to diamagnetic material, that is weakly repelled in nature, but coming to paramagnetic materials, they are weakly attracted. Therefore the magnetic flux lines are weakly attracted, weakly attracted by the center of the magnetic material. So they are like this. But coming to ferromagnetic material, heavy attracted by the center of the magnetic material. So in this case, the magnetic flux lines orientation is like this. This is about another difference. Then coming to next difference, then coming to diamagnetic materials, they lose their magnetism on removal of external magnetic field. If we have a magnetic field, they are having some magnetism, otherwise they don't have any magnetism. Okay, like that, they lose their magnetism on removal of external magnetic field. Like that, they do not lose their magnetism on removal of magnetic field. So irrespective of magnetic field, they can perform some magnetism, that is they are permanent magnets. They are permanent magnets. So the permanent magnets are nothing but ferromagnetic materials. So next point, no unpaired electrons. Like that, we can have unpaired electrons here. Unpaired electrons means what? This is one pair, right? This is one pair. This is one pair. Like that, here we are having unpaired electrons. Therefore, this is one pair, this is another pair. So this is only single electron. That's why we are having unpaired electron. The same structure here. Right? This is another type. Next, applications. Examples for this: dia, para and ferromagnetic materials. For this, solid, liquid, gases. Solid, liquid, gases. Here also solid, liquid, gases. Coming to ferromagnetic materials, only solid. Coming to examples, for this diamagnetic materials, water, copper, mercury, gold and hydrogen. So coming to paramagnetic material, aluminum, platinum, sodium, chrome, glasses. So coming to iron, nickel and cobalt. These are the examples for this diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic materials. Okay, what is diamagnetic material? The material which is weakly repelled by a magnet. What is paramagnetic material? The material which is weakly attracted by a magnet. What is ferromagnetic material? The material which is strongly attracted by a magnet. This is nothing but dia, para and ferromagnetic materials.